Done.
Are you in need of an IMS PPT presentation kit for your business? If you argue yes, let me inform you about the IMS Training PPT package description. This IMS Awareness and Auditor Training Kit is a ready-made tool for system awareness and auditor training for an integrated management system based on three most important standards: ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001, for any organizations. This kit includes more than 512 editable PPT slides with user manual and other document files in editable Word format. In the IMS PPT presentation kit, the following contents are included: PPT presentations, handouts, workshops and case study, audit checklists, risk templates, IMS sample certificate. Modules are also included in this IMS PPT presentation. Overview of IMS, QMS principles, ISO 9001 requirements, ISO 14001 requirements, ISO 45001 requirements, IMS documented information. The advantages of using our IMS PPT presentation kit: you can easily customize the training IMS PPT slides and also add audio in the local language for better understanding of the topics. Soft copies of IMS PPT presentations and handouts are given, which saves your time and cost of creating own training materials. It is an easy-to-learn and user-friendly kit complying with training requirements of ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001 standards. The entire training material is created under the guidance of experts having rich experience of consulting, training and auditing of IMS. Feel free to contact us at sales@punyamacademy.com or go to www.punyamacademy.com for more information.